You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this movement. If you want to learn more names from news and geopolitics, stay tuned. I'll link to many more for you at the end of this video. Houthis, that's the English pronunciation here. Let's break it down. Who, yes, I know the spelling is a little bit confusing, but it's a who. These, note that you have an S, not an S sound, but a Z sound at the end. Houthis, the Houthis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.